Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a heart vector in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to watch the video till the end, like and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. After this video tutorial, making a heart vector will be quite easy. First, we set the color. Then, with the help of the rectangle tool, we draw a vertical rectangle. Using the selection tool, we ovalize the upper points of the rectangle. We select the object and bend it a few degrees to the right. Select the object panel, transform, reflect, vertical command, and press the copy button. We place the objects in the shape of a heart. Cut and delete the excess parts with the help of Pathfinder, and that's it. Heart vector is ready. Your support is important for better quality videos. You can support us by choosing one of the monthly packages on Patreon by visiting the link below. Those who want to buy vectors can go to our store by visiting the second link below. Please note that vectors are free for Patreon supporters.